healthy adult cat can jump about 5 to 6 times its own body length. Their short-term memory works 16 hours a day for relevant events, which is long compared to many other animals. They swishing or lashing sometimes indicate that they feel agitated, annoyed, or overstimulated. This is typically a warning. They sometimes actually forget that they are cat, and usually they sleep 70% of their lives. And the richest of them all was a cat named Tommaso, worth 13 million, inheriting it after its owner passed away.